How's it going?
This afternoon, we are going on our second free dive with our friend and amazing instructor, Luis.
From Bonaire Freediving School. And although this film today is not sponsored, we're gonna go ahead and do a trade with him because he's got such sweet skills with instructing freediving, and he wants to learn more about the online space. So we're gonna work with him on optimizing his online world to attract more people to him who want to freedive when they come to Bonaire.
Yeah, it's super exciting. Doing a trade is a really cool way to do an experience with somebody, but then also help them in some kind of way. So if you're considering life as a digital nomad, or if you already are a digital nomad and you're looking for creative ways to go do something that you've wanted to do for ages, or even just to I don't know, do some kind of swap where someone feeds you or you feed them to stay in their home or something like that. You can do these kinds of things. So that's what we're up to today. We're gonna go down to Pier and explore the underwater world.
This is gonna be so exciting because this is our second time. And I think that we're gonna do a lot better this time because we've already had one day of instruction, and it's all about honing skills at this point.
That's right.
All right, let's go head on out.
Woo!
So we made it to the salt pier. Now we're headed to the water, and we're walking on coral, so it's kind of sharp. Follow me.
Okay. Well, that was amazing.
Oh my gosh, that was absolutely crazy. As soon as we dove in the water, turtle.
Turtles.
Yeah.
That's turtle.
Yeah.
That was really, really beautiful. Several times I feel like I surprised myself and just went, all of a sudden I'm like super deep and exploring the ocean and feeling so calm. It was really nice.
Oh my gosh, it was so cool to see you just like dive down so deep, and she just kept going and going and going.
Him too.
Just like a fish.
Just like a fish.
Just like a
Thanks,
mermaid.
Louise. That was really amazing. Just to feel calm in the water. I think that's been my main goal with all these lessons.
Yeah.
It's just to like feel calm in the water
And build the confidence.
Build the confidence.
Yeah.
I feel like 1,000,000% more confident. So
Yeah.
that's exciting.
Something I've found about it also is that I feel like I've got a little bit more control over my breath. So like before diving in, the anticipation, the first time we went, I was just like, oh, we're gonna go. And then all of a sudden I was going, and then I'd feel out of breath because I was having trouble equalizing. This time I had no problems equalizing at all. So that was super freaking cool. And so it gave me more confidence to go down. And then I was trying out a new mask, and my mustache is long, and so I was having a leaking problem. And so
Next time you'll be fine because he's gonna like shave.
I'm gonna trim up my mustache now.
Yeah. But that was so just mystical, calming, and just beautiful to be able to see this underworld in the water.
Yeah.
Magic.
So I got a question for you. Have you ever gone, and this is you, the audience, have you ever gone snorkeling or free diving? We'd love to know in the comments. And did you enjoy it?
Yeah, and if you're in Bonaire, make sure you talk to Luis. We'll put all of his details in the description below. And thank you so much for hanging out with us.
Yeah, thanks for watching. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click subscribe and hit that bell to be notified every time we come out with a brand new video about 3 times a week.
Until next time, friends.
Adventure on.
Adventure on. Bye.
Bye.
These guys right here are getting better and better.
Because you're amazing teaching.
Thank you.
Easy
But
teaching.
you're good. And if you keep doing it, you'll be doing great stuff.
Yeah.
Well, we have seen turtles, we have seen barracudas, big barracudas,
Big barracuda.
tarpons, turtles. I already said turtles. And
Jacks. The school of
snappers,
Jacks.
groupers.
Parrotfish.
Yeah, all kinds of Caribbean fish.
I do have to say that my equalization was spot on today. I had no trouble equalizing at all. I even tried doing some
You did
completely
diagonal freedive.
I did diagonal most of that, but I was trying some head down, and I was a lot better
Yeah?
head down also a couple
I'm
times.
glad to hear
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Practice.
So I gotta just keep practicing.
Yeah.
It just goes to show that if there's something new, you gotta keep on practicing if you really love it and you really want to get good at it.
That's right.
And before we finish, look at the sunset over there.
Ah, let's go check it out.
Do I have toothpaste in my corners?
No,
All right, cool.
no. Hold on, what was it?
I just brushed
Okay.
my teeth. Do I have toothpaste?
I don't see any. I'm looking at the... No, maybe that's a spot on the lens. I don't know. Saliva soap blend. Imagine that.